Hello, my name is Quentin McDonald, and allow me to be your internet influencer for today. I make mandolins, and I wanted to compare these two. This is well, they're both essentially the same mandolin, kind of starting with a Gibson F4 platform. A little bit of tweaks I've made here and there, but this is a prototype, and I've done some fun carving with it because it was a prototype. I could do whatever I wanted to do, put a nice tree there. And this is for a customer, so he was like, let's leave the back normal, let's go with dots, put a tasteful little clover there underneath your name, but essentially, same cast tailpiece, same bridge, ebony fingerboard, same Grover tuners, bone nut, wood came from the same mill, same species of maple, red spruce, you get it, all right? They're consistently made because I used the CNC machine to rough it out, and I hand did the fine tuning. But other than that, they're two different animals. Here we have an instrument that I was going for, a very mellow sound, not a traditional sound. A little more bass, which is why I shifted the sound hole down, made it triangular, and I've got a smaller port inside the scroll. So there's two sound ports in this. Here we have a traditional Gibson-style oval hole with a larger sound port inside the scroll. The idea is that with the dual sound ports, it opens up the tone a little bit. You get a little more high end, and you get tone coming from two different locations. You can, at any time, plug the sound port in the scroll with a piece of foam or a paper towel, whatever you like, and turn this into more of a traditional sounding Gibson F4. Same thing with this. Basically, that just makes it a little darker, a little more compressed sounding. That's it. Hope you liked it. Remember to like and subscribe, and send me your money so I can build you one badass instrument. Have a good day.